Hey Major Phelps, here we're going to show you the schedule board on how to use a system and all the other features that we have in here. We will be doing videos and they'll be available on the help page. So as the operations board, the patrol board, the fleet board, but as you start, your users can usually figure it out and just play with it. It's pretty easy to work out, but also you can call me and if you have any questions. But the help page will have tutorial videos on there as well. So the schedule board, this is where you can schedule a fair out. So in their schedule board, you have 3 items that you can look at. So the first thing you need to do is create locations. Once you create a location there, you can use it for any schedule in the future. You can create custom position names as well. So you can create your own position names for anything you want, name it whatever you want, and they'll always be available in the future to make the scheduling so much easier for you. So how a schedule works is you have all your schedules on here. Now you can print it out, you can view it, but let's go ahead and add one in here. And I apologize, my computer is running slow again today for some reason. So the location is just drop down, and you can do the start, date, and time of the schedule. So let's say it's going to be February 1st through February 9th or 8th, let's say. You can do the days. So February 1st is the first one. So let's go to February. And it's a Friday. We can do our open and close time. So on this day, what time does it open? What time does it close? You put it there. And then it'll automatically calculate the hours for you in the system. So 5 hours that day. So this position time, this is where you can stagger positions, right? So let's say it's going to be 9 a.m. to, let's say, 12, let's do 12 p.m. You can select from your positions that you've created, and then you can select the drop down of who's doing that position. So if you have multiple people that you want to use for this position, let's do it this way. Let's say it's North Foot Patrol, and you want to add multiple people. So once you do that, once you hit the plus, it saves that time in there. So it just copies that time, but you can change it if you want to, and you can select the thing and also the user who's doing it. And you can keep on doing that over and over and over, and just schedule 10 people for one position, one time, and you can, however you want to, for each person. You can add notes to that day. So now you've done this, you can go to a new day. So the new day is going to be February 2nd. So let's go, we're going to select February 2nd. We can open time and close time, whatever it may be, for that particular day. And here you have that it calculates the total number of hours, and you can start your new scheduling for this day. You can keep on adding positions right here, and you keep on adding days. So now that we've done this, we can submit it into the system. It sends an email out to let everyone know the schedule. Now let's say you said, uh-oh, I made a boo-boo. You can always go back and edit it, and it will send an updated schedule out as well. So that is always something that it's never written in stone. You can always go back and edit it. And let's say someone calls out and you have to change to someone else at the last second. You can do it here. So here's the information. Here's the date that we first entered, the time, the total hours, position name, who it is, their total hours, the second position, and it just keeps on going on and on as you need to. One thing we do not have on here is the Saturday and Sundays for total hours. However, I will get that added on as soon as I can. But it will tell you the total hours of each person that day, so you can know. And you can, if someone wants to work, let's say you want John to work from 9 to 12, and you want him to work from 5 until 9, you can do that in this system. So this lets you add the schedule in there, and you can obviously print it out. This is a scheduling, and so it always makes it available on the dashboard. And if you're not off that day and there's someone at the command center, they can go in here and edit this from their phone if they wanted to, and update it so that way you and Chief are always knowing who's where in the scheduling, and all your schedules will always be available for you right here. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text. Cell phone number is 478 714 1796. Thank you.